There are hidden travel hacks that airlines don't want you to know about. I bet you didn't know that you can actually skip checking your bags. You can dodge those high baggage fees and still bring more items in your luggage, even more than you thought possible, if you know how to play the personal item game. And no, I'm not talking about wearing 5 layers of clothes at the gate. Though I've seen travelers pull that one off too. Please make sure to stick with me through the end because I'm going to drop some hack bombs you have never heard about. And I'm also going to add some bonus hacks to equip you even more for your next flight. So here's the tea. A friend of mine bought a lightweight backpack with tons of pockets. She packed it carefully, clothes folded, purse tucked inside, but she made sure it didn't bulge. At check in, it passed as her personal item. Meanwhile, she also had her carry on suitcase. And guess what? She traveled for 2 weeks, no check bags, no extra fees, total win. Here's the thing, airlines phrase one personal item in a very vague way. Some agents say it's a purse, others say a backpack, and I've even seen people walk through with a mini roller bag they swore was just a laptop case. The key is to keep it compact and confident. If you look like you belong, nobody blinks. Now, that's the kind of underground hack seasoned travelers trade in hushed tones. And I'm going to share a few more like that today. By the way, if you love tips like these, my ebook Solo and Smart Travel Tips for Female Explorers is where I pack in even more insider secrets and strategies, from safety tricks to packing secrets. I'll tell you more about that in a minute, but let's keep going. Here's another one. You know those bulky neck pillows everyone drags through airports? One traveler told me she unzips hers and stuffs it with socks and underwear. To airport security, it looks like a normal travel pillow, even to the airlines. To her, it's bonus storage space. Who knew? And get this, some savvy flyers use duty free shopping bags as camouflage. They'll buy a small candy bar or magazine in the duty free shop that's inside the airport, and then they load that bag with extra personal items. Gate agents almost never question a duty free bag because it's a regular thing for shoppers to buy duty free items in the airport. Sneaky, right? Take advantage of it, but be subtle with it. You want to know another? I once met a woman in Bangkok who used a foldable tote bag as her secret weapon. She carried a regular backpack, but inside the backpack was this featherlight tote. On the way back from her destination, when she needed space for like souvenirs and other items, she pulled it out and suddenly had a second personal item. The airline didn't even question it. They thought it was just her shopping bag, just like the duty free bag. Now, before I drop the biggest hack I know, let me circle back to that ebook I mentioned, Solo and Smart. Inside of it, I go beyond packing hacks into things like how to choose safe neighborhoods, how to blend in culturally so you don't stand out, and the gear every solo traveler, female solo traveler should carry, no matter where you're traveling to. If travel freedom is your goal, that ebook is your toolkit. Grab it from the link in the description. I promise it'll save you stress and money on your next trip. All right, so back to the hacks. Here is one you'll love if you like souvenirs. Travelers often stress about how to bring things back from their trip without paying for the extra luggage. The secret? A foldable duffel bag. It lives flat in your carry on, but on the way home, it becomes your new personal item. Suddenly, you've got double the space and nobody questions it because it fits under the airplane seat. And here's a little known tip about jackets. Some frequent flyers use coats with hidden inside pockets, not just for warmth, but for storage. I once saw a woman slip an entire tablet, snacks, and a makeup bag into her jacket and stroll onto the plane like she was carrying nothing. Genius, right? Well, here's my favorite. One woman admitted she carries an oversized scarf. Sounds normal, right? But inside the scarf, she sewed a hidden zipper pocket. To everyone else, it looks like fashion. To her, it's extra luggage. Now, are you ready for those bonus hacks I promised? You can add these to your arsenal of hacks that I just shared. The first one is the snack trick with security. Bring snacks in a small, clear Ziploc bag. Airport security lets it through because it's non liquid. But here's the hack. Once you eat those snacks, the empty Ziploc bag becomes storage for small items like cables, chargers, or even receipts so you don't lose track of them. One traveler swore that it saved her wallet from getting stolen because she kept cash tucked inside. The bottle hack. You probably know this one. Everyone knows you can't bring full bottles of water through security, right? Well, here's the hack. Bring an empty collapsible water bottle. That's important. It saves space. It folds down flat. And after security, you fill it up for free at the airport's water fountain. That saves you $5 from buying the airport water. Next is the hotel shampoo hack. When you're traveling carry on only, liquids are very tricky. One hack, refill those tiny hotel shampoo bottles with your own product. They're TSA friendly size and they blend in with your toiletries. A traveler once told me that she refilled one with salad dressing on a long trip and no one batted an eye. Let me tease you with one last one, if I may. Did you know there's a way to get extra liquids past the 3 ounce rule? No, I'm not talking about breaking TSA laws now. It's totally allowed. I'll spill all the details inside the solo and smart ebook. Trust me, once you learn it, you'll never stress over toiletries again. So make sure you go grab that ebook from the link in the description so you can be prepared. You don't want to travel without it for your next flight. And the next time you fly, remember this: airlines may set the rules, but travelers always find loopholes, and that's why I'm here. And when you use them, you save money, skip headaches, and travel lighter. Again, the link for my ebook with all this secret sauce, more secret sauce, is in the description. Solo and Smart ebook. Go grab it and thank me later. I'll see you in the skies. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and thanks for watching.